But thanks for everything. It's amazing. Too good.
Thank you.
That's American. You know what it is.
Oke. Good morning, selamat pagi semua. Assalamualaikum. Saya di sini bersama Bruno. Kita akan menggunakan kendaraan safety car untuk keliling trek. Kecepatannya nanti sekitar 200 km per jam. So Bruno, let me check one more time. How fast we'll be going today?
Oh, easy 200 kilometers on this car. It's a full electric Porsche Taycan, 720 brake horsepower. It's very, very powerful, 100% electric. And this track is really, really nice. We're gonna have some good fun.
Perfect. Saya akan tunjukkan di sini panel-panelnya. Ini panel-panel yang akan dilihat di mobil elektrik Porsche. Wah.